Hey guys, how are you? Today I will share my clickbank earning using Google Ads. You can see my clickbank earning around $278 using Google Ads. So guys, I will show my Google Ads also. You can see here also you can $278. Now I want to share you my Google Ads dashboard so that you can get more deeper information. You can see I got 7 clicks, 37 impressions, and my ad spend was 4000 INR. This is around 48 to $49 in USD. My CPC around 574 INR. You can calculate this INR into USD using Google. So guys, around $48 I spent on Google Ads and I made it $278. So you can calculate my profit. So guys, this is very easy, not difficult, because I know how to select right product, how to create high converting landing page, and I know how to set up Google Ads campaign perfectly. And fourth thing was I know how to optimize Google Ads campaign so that I get sale like this. So guys, if you have questions, you want any help me, you can message me on my WhatsApp number, you can see, or you can message me on Instagram also, so that I can help you. Or if you have any question related clickbank, Google Ads, landing page creation, product selection, you can message me.